you missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Oh, well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's for a swim? Oh, what's wrong? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb fuck. The big one.
Let me see that egg again. Yeah, that's definitely a turkey's egg. You'll never get it in the water. Just leave it. Hey, cut that out! Come teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I might as well sit for a bit longer. I've sat for so long, a few more days won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. All right, last one to the legs are cute.
Wait for me!
Hey.
Ow. Only good for keeping eggshells warm. Although they have always been more uniform. This one's different. What's marmalade?
It's a sort of orange preserve, often found on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Now listen carefully. I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sun moves.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
Ah! I've created a monster!
Be ridiculous. He's just not your run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all.
That's all. Ida, I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you. I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See? He didn't even flinch. Now, I want all of you to get spruced up. It's time for you to meet the other members of the junkyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drink. Don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
That may like Mrs. and strong, still you want no fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now. Follow me. But stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are bendy and the knees are not. Look at him. Dad is obviously eggshell shocked. The neighbors scream and howl when they see our brew. He's the proudest waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
That's what I call that. Look at him. Still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him. Finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop. Now in a moment, we presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a man, and as you can see, the red cloth around her waist. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she's been open to both men and animals.
Now, you don't need to expose yourself. It's very polite and say,
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
You're to blame. The step Yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Come along, children, try this.